Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, can you tell me something about yourself?
Okay, sir. Good day, madam and sir. I'm Mariana DC Caldito. I'm 26 years old. I'm the eldest in the family, and I have work experience in Hong Kong for 2 years, and I have my main duty is house cleaning, washing, car washing, cooking, and taking care of a 10-year-old boy.
Okay, the first employer, okay, in Hong Kong, how
Yes,
long?
sir. 2 years, sir.
How many members in the house?
4, sir.
Okay, who are they?
My sir and my madam, and then the grandmother and the 10-year-old boy.
Okay, the grandma can walk?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the boy, right? You need to send the boy go to school?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, you wake up in the morning?
At 6 o'clock, sir.
6 o'clock. Okay, what are you doing in the house?
After I wake up at 6 o'clock, I prepare breakfast for the boy and his mother, because they left at about 7:15, and then after they left, I tidy up the boy's room, because we share the boy and I share the same room. And then after tidying up, I prepare breakfast for my sir, because he usually wake up at 8:30 in the morning. And then after I serve him breakfast, I started to wash the clothes, and then while the machine is on process, I clean the room. And then after they left, I clean the washroom, and then after cleaning the washroom, I clean the kitchen, and then go down to the car park and clean the car, sir.
Okay, you know marketing?
No, sir.
Cooking?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in case you're cooking in the kitchen, suddenly your mom call you and want you to go outside to buy something, what you will do?
After I put down the phone, sir, I will come back to the stove and off the fire before leaving, because mom is always reminding me to off the fire before going out, sir.
You can cook very well?
Not so very well, sir, but I can follow the instruction in cooking, sir.
How good is your Cantonese?
I can understand some Cantonese, and I can speak some Cantonese.
Okay, how about the second employer? How long?
My second employer is last for only 2 months.
2 months. Okay, how many members in the house?
They are four adults and 1 children, sir.
4 adults, 1 children.
Yes.
Why only 2 months?
Because the employer terminated me put in his termination letter that he was not satisfied with my work, sir.
Okay. Where is the house, the first house? The second employer?
The second employer is in Mount Bacon, Kolantong, sir.
Kolantong.
Yes.
Oh, big house, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how about the holiday in Hong Kong?
In my first employer, I used to go out on Saturday, and my second employer, I used to go out on Sunday, sir.
Oh, okay. How can you maintain the good relationship with your employer?
With my first employer, when she is starting to shout, I just listen and follow what she's saying or what to do. And because if I have to answer her, she will get angry more if I answer her.
Okay, any message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, if you choose me as your helper, I promise to do my best as your helper, and willing to follow your rules and regulations in your house and also in Hong Kong. Thank you and good week.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.